Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today I came up with a new topic, that is cryptography. Cryptography is the combination of two Greek words. One is crypto and other is graphy. Crypto means secure or secret and graphy means writing. That is why cryptography means secret writing. It is one of the encryption technique. Cryptography is the method of protecting information and communication through the use of code so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. In today's world, there are a lot of unauthorized access. Let's say I am a sender and you are a receiver. Suppose I am sending you a message and that should be the original message what I have sent you. There should not be any unauthorized access in the middle, or there should not be any manipulation. Okay, in that case, what we will do, I am a sender, so I will encrypt the message and you are the receiver, you will decrypt the message so that there will be no unauthorized access in the middle. The original text is called plain text or clear text and the converted text is called ciphertext or secret text. The plain text converted into a ciphertext using encryption, and the reverse process of encryption is decryption. That is, it converts the ciphertext into the plain text. A system that both encrypt and decrypt is known as crypto system. As I discussed with you all that there should not be any unauthorized access when a sender is sending a message. That is why this cryptography follows confidentiality, integrity and availability. Let us discuss about confidentiality. Confidentiality refers to access only by authorized person. Then is integrity. It refers to the modification by authorized person in authorized way. Then is your availability. Availability means accessible to authorized parties at appropriate times. Then is types of cryptography. Basically, cryptography is of three types. One is symmetric cryptography, asymmetric cryptography and hash function cryptography. In case of symmetric cryptography, both encryption and decryption key are equal. In case of asymmetric cryptography, encryption and decryption key are different and it comes in a pair. In case of hash function, it uses no key, it uses encryption. There are two methods of encryption. First one is substitution and other one is transposition. Substitution is stream cipher and transposition is block cipher. Substitution is also known as stream cipher. Substitution refers to the replacement of each character by another character or digit or symbol as it substitutes one by one character. That is why it is called stream cipher. See an example in substitution cryptography. See here, I have written the alphabets in a reverse order. So the plain text is cat, whereas the ciphertext become X, Z, G. Transposition is known as block cipher. It is the scrambling of data. The main difference between substitution and transposition is that in substitution, actual character is replaced with some other character, where in case of transposition, the position of character is reshuffled. Let us see an example in transposition cipher. Okay, the plain text is transposition and the keyword is 43152. So we'll rearrange transposition in 43152 format. So that becomes, okay, NIX ASN TPT STX ROO. Okay, is the cipher. It is one of my favorite topic which I have discussed with you all today. So I hope you also love the concept. Do like my videos and share it and comment your views and subscribe it for the latest update. Thank you. See you again with my next video.